Hello students. So today again we have one more pair, confusing pair. Sometimes you feel confused which word where to be used. Two words are elder versus older. Yes. And these two words actually they are very near to each other. What does it mean? That it is actually interchangeable. These two words are interchangeable because more or less the meaning in Hindi is same. Elder, older, bada. Because the opposite of these two words is one, younger. Okay, so this way, this word sometime becomes very confusing because if the meaning is same, if the opposite same, then what is the difference? But yes, there is difference, and if you know the difference, then you know how to use and how to make correct use of these two words. So let's see first word, elder. Actually, first of all, you have to remember that elder word is used as noun. Elder is actually a noun. For example, senior citizens are often called elders. Senior citizens, they are called elders. Means a group of senior citizens is given a name. Means noun. Okay. So group of senior citizens would be called elders. This shows that this is a noun. Okay. But remember one thing, that elders doesn't mean that it should be necessarily old in age also. No. Actually, whenever we use the word elders, actually, first of all, you have to remember elders can be used only for people. Okay, it cannot be used for objects. It cannot be used for animals. No, it can be used only for people. And when we say it can be used only for people, it means actually elder word contains itself a sense of respect. Yes, we can say, like when we say respect your elders, we never say respect your elders. No, respect your elders. And that's why elder word itself shows respect. Okay, so we can say this word adds a component of respect. Okay, and that's why it cannot be used for animals or objects. So what you have to remember, elder as a noun, and then elder can be used only for people, and then elder word contains a component of respect. Okay, so if these 3 points you remember, you will know the use of correct use of elder. Then we come to this older word. Always remember that older word is always used as a comparison, in a comparison. Okay, so noun cannot be used as comparison, but this elder word cannot be used as comparison. But older, it is ever used as a comparative term. Okay, as a comparative term. For example, you have purchased this pen, okay, and you purchased maybe one pen 2 days ago. Okay, so what you will say? Like 2 days ago pen, if you have purchased, it's not very old pen. Okay, but even then, you will say that pen is older than this pen. Okay, so this will be, there will be comparison when you are comparing two pens, though even these two pens are purchased within 1 week, but because there is comparison, and that's why we will say that the black pen is older than this white pen. Okay, so that way comparison would be there. Okay, like, or we can say that this, when we come to this word older, okay, it is a better choice most of the time. Why? Because it can be used for people, it can be used for objects, it can be even used for animals. Whereas elder word can be used only for people. But older word you can use for, we can say, people or things. Okay, or that's why this is more used sometimes. This is better choice because this is more advanced word. Okay, because at many places we can use this word older, and that's why maybe this is more advanced. Okay, so this way I think if you remember these points, okay, elder, first point for people as a noun and it has some respect. Okay, on the other hand, older, it is for the comparison. If you remember these basic things, I think you will be able to use it at the right place in a right way. I think for today's lesson this is enough.